Oh, hey there. In the backyard of our new listing here at 1022 East State Street in Traverse City on a fall day. I love Traverse City summers and have lived downtown in multiple homes, one on Washington, 9th Street, 11th Street, but I've never lived in one that did not have a back alley. This listing that we just brought to the market today is one of those homes that has a very deep lot, place to play and hang out, hammock, barbecue, entertain, whatever. And you don't have to worry about people flying down the alley. I just thought that was pretty significant. So I wanted to show it to you. I'm only a few blocks from the lake. I'm only a few blocks from the Civic Center. And the walking trail around that, I saw a few neighbors walking down the sidewalk. Something special about fall in Traverse City. That's why I never left. I like it just as much as spring and just as much as summer, even like winter. But those aren't very long anymore. So gotta enjoy the fall. And we're having an open house this weekend. And Jenny and I hope to see you here at East State Street